morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. No tacos today, but I will be doing Asian chicken tacos tomorrow. Today, I'll get to in a second. Yesterday, I had a very busy day, a lot of time on my feet here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. First thing I put together after I did a bit of shopping for Monday deals at Bel Air Market, I put together a cinnamon streusel coffee cake. I used the Saigon cinnamon from the local spicery. Again, like I mentioned yesterday, the Saigon is more meant for baking. Yes, so I have three cinnamons in my house. In my kitchen, I have the Indonesian, which I use for more savory stuff, savory dishes. And then I have a blend, something, it's just a cheapo, I don't even know where it's from. And then I just picked up the Saigon cinnamon from the local spicery. Wow, the house smells fantastic. Yes. The streusel coffee cake came out fantastic. Yes, Robin had some for breakfast this morning. And she took a big hunk of it, because it made a 9 by 13. She took a big hunk of it to the ladies at work. Everybody in her office are ladies. There's no guys. All right. Then I built up a basic vinaigrette, because I was originally going to use a balsamic thing I had in the cold box, but I decided the balsamic would have been just too heavy for this, because I put together a summer pasta salad. It's just got a bunch of goodies in it, and I was right. The lighter vinaigrette was the way to go. It's a fantastic salad. The pictures and videos are in the group. I'll get the recipes up for this morning. So I'm taking it a little bit easy today. I'm doing a good old American meal, hamburgers and French fries. That's it. Plus, we'll have that summer pasta salad as a side as well. This is why we do these pastas, so we can have great sides throughout the week. So let's get to it. Pretty simple. Sheet pan, cast iron. All right. Rayleigh's Bel Air had hamburger patties, fresh hamburger patties on sale this week. Hamburger buns, I get at least 3 types of cheeses, good old American, Swiss, and sliced blue cheese. That probably Robin will go after that. Ketchup, yellow mustard. I like to do a little bit of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire with some salt and pepper on the burgers when I cook, and good old Ore-Ida golden trinkles. There's the coffee cake. As you can see, big. Nice and moist. Yeah, that is a great thing. I haven't talked about something in quite a while. I have a family living out on my front yard. Actually, in the bushes. The chickens are still here, and Mama Chicken, the hen, gave birth to 7 nuggets. Yes, 7 nuggets. We call them nuggets. And Mama, the hen, she's quite protective of those little nuggets. So, anytime I go out the front door, oh yeah, both Mama and the rooster, Mama and Daddy, they're pretty protective of their little babies. Yeah. So, I went from 2 to 9 living in my front yard area. So, yeah. A little peeping noise. Beep, 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 beep. It's kind of cute. They're cute. But they're going to grow up. All right. On this Taco Tuesday, go to your local taqueria and get some fantastic tasting tacos. Whether you like beef, chicken, pork, or lingua. Yes, I'm a lingua fan. All right, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.